right, we're rolling. So today is, let's see, I don't even know, September. Oh, it's September the 12th. Had to, you know, see all those tributes to 9/11. Barf. Please. If people were actually telling the truth about it, you know, that would be okay, but it's the government line. But anyway, I have come here because I'm going to be pulling a heavy harrow with a tractor. And I imagine, I wonder if he's here. Let's see anybody around. Let's see here. Must have been his tractor was sitting here. There it is there. Oh, so I'm going to be driving that thing. That tractor, just dragging these heavy harrows just to... There it is, right on. Okay. This is my ride. And I'm going to be pulling these heavy harrows. Okay, in the distance there you can see like a lone bush. That's what I'm aiming for. We're going to start harrowing the field diagonally. I'll show you behind me. Right there. My dad taught me when you're doing that, the first row, you make sure you look at where you're going and don't look back. Oh, what's this here? Can I go through this? Hang on a second. I better slow down here. I'm just going to get out and walk that. I don't want to just drive through it. Let's see what we got here. Now, I think I can just go right over it. I'll jump on the old steed and we'll get going. All right. I'll tell you one thing, you never know where a day may bring you. On the big four-wheel drive tractor. I'll show you out the window here. Yeah. Anyway, I'm doing this for a friend of mine. Okay, so this little field here, I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna head back to the farmyard. And then I gotta drop the straw off from the harrows. Right there. So I'm gonna take that over beside the slough, I guess, and I'll drop it off and then you can just push it into the slough, throw the straw in there. And that'll be that for this field, and then I'll fold her up and we'll move to another one. Okay, so this lever here unlocks it. Now I'm going to fold it together and see what happens here. Okay, so now got to go slow here and get it okay. There you go. Cool. I think we're okay here. All right. Yeah, I think that's the way. I don't like playing with stuff like this, but oh well. Gotta learn somehow. Okay, there you can see the pattern there. That's for me going across like diagonally on the field. See there the pattern? That's what you want. Okay, so I'm folding up. This is the third field I've done, and I pretty much caught up with the combine. So Jim said, you know, when you're done, you just park the thing and go on home. So that's what I'm gonna do. What a nice day. I haven't ever driven one of these kind of tractors. Driven lots of tractors, but never a big four-wheel drive like this. It's got, you know, throttle. It's got a clutch, just like on a truck. If you can drive a truck, you can drive one of these things, but gotta watch for the swing on the old boom. You don't want to get that too close to something, especially your half ton or a tree or a fence, because these tractors got lots of jam and it'll just twist everything to rat shit before you get her stopped if you're not careful. Anyway, done for the day, and we're rolling. So today is the 13th of September 2023. Just cruising down the road. I'm gonna go give my friend a hand, but I think we're gonna be rained out here. I think she's a raining. There you go. Yeah, so I'm still gonna go down there anyway, just to see what's going on, if how much combining they got done. It'll be interesting. Okay, so we're picking up wheat today. That's a pretty good looking sample there. Kernels are a little smaller, but it looks pretty good quality to me. But I'm not an expert. Throwing the wheat into that bin. And then I think we're going to move over that one once she's empty. Or once that one's full, I should say. That one's empty, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we're moving to another bin here. I'm going to spot the gym here. It's always easy to have another color there. Although that thing that dangles from there gives you good indication where you are, so you can do it by yourself. This makes things much more easy. Okay. Lift it up. I better stop dragging. So here's what a stand of wheat looks like. This is a wheat head. And the kernels in there look pretty good. Anyway, and this is what it looks like when it's being harvested right here with the combine. See that there? So back at her today, the 14th of September, and I'll show you. As you can see here, I'll show you my sample bucket. It's a pretty nice sample, and we're thinking might be number one even. Could be number one or number two. That's pretty nice. So this bin here is up to the top of the third ring there, so 2-4 more loads, and then we're going to move to that little guy right there in the corner. Okay, we're moved into the small bin now. But I'll bring you back once we get out in the field. I'll show you how much it's cleared off today. Quite a bit, actually. combine. I had another problem with a big belt glue, and it's pretty special. We had to get it out of Saskatoon, so I just ordered it yesterday. But he's getting a really excellent yield here. Looking like 50 bushels or so. And when you look at that quality, you know, there's not much junk in there. It's pretty clean. But I gotta get my sample bucket in. Sorry for the wind here, but this is the culprit right here. This thing, and it's way up in there. Just gotta fish it in, and it's a bit of a harangue. Anyway, lunch is here. So I'm having a wee nosh. Hello. Okay, so someone else showed up to haul grain, so I'm backing this guy. Do some more harrowing today because it's drier, it's more favorable conditions. Anyway, off to it. And we're rolling. So today's the 15th of September, 2023, and it's a nice bright morning out. It's cold though. I went outside this morning, it was 0 degrees C, so that's not terrible, but it's cold this time of year. So we're gonna go out and move a unit out from a unit. I'm talking movie talk here. We're moving a couple of combines and some grain trucks and all the stuff you need to be harvesting, because we're heading. It's about a 35-mile drive, 40 miles, I guess, all told, from the time we get from one farm to another. And we're going to be harvesting wheat and fava beans today. Now, yesterday, I said on the video, it's like 45, 50 bushel. Nah, not even close. It was 70. When Jim did the tally on all the fields we did, 70 bushels an acre. And that looks like either number 1 or number 2. It's really nice stuff. And he was just smiling yesterday because we had such a dry year this year. I didn't think we were going to get yields like that, and he was surprised too. But he get just the right amount of rain at the right time. So today, anyway, we're gonna be moving over, and I can't wait for him to start on those fava beans. It'd be interesting to see how that is, because they don't grow them up here around here much. But when I was out there the other day, they did look pretty good, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm in the Custom Deluxe, full 4-speed grain truck. Now we're just going through town here. This is we're moving from his south farm up to his north farm. So we're just stopping in town. We're going to throw a little gas in these trucks, and then we're going to go and go back and get the combines. Okay, so we're getting now we're down. We've got the trucks down at the farm. Now we're going to pull the headers off these combines, and we're going to travel the combines today. And probably start combine once we get there. Let's go the operation. Turn this thing off. Okay, finally we got her put in place here. Just a little bit of fiddle about. We sit right on the cradle. Again, eh? Like we should. Hello.
That's in.
That's in. Okay, great. Perfect. So the combines are about to pull out. Got both headers off, and they're going to head out to the north farm, and I'm going to go out and harrow some more. I'm going to go out to harrow the peas up on the first field that we were on combining there. Okay, so we got the combines back to the north farm now. And of course I tried to go heavy harrowing, but that didn't work out. We're heavy harrowing the peas, and the pea straw there was just too much of it in the field, so I don't know, he's gonna have another plan, I guess. Just he's gonna have to seed through it, I guess. But I guess it could be good cover for the soil too. I don't know how that is. Anyway, we're back at the yard. We'll get this going. Alright, we're at the north farm now. We're using a different auger and a different tractor. This old piece here. Yeah, we're bringing in wheat here too. Right here, scoop stick. And this old tractor, my friend, when he was just a teenager, his father passed away in an accident, and he took over the farm. And one day at lunchtime at school, he went down to the case dealership and bought that tractor brand new. Okay, so we're getting on in the day, but we got quite a bit done. We've already filled that bin. We're on that one. He says we'll fill 5 of those by the time we're finished. But look at this here. Oh, it was next time. Yeah, I noticed the streams and trails. Kind of this fluffy stuff, and then there's some stringy stuff. Yeah, nothing to see here. Anyway, we're making some good progress out in that field, and the wheat's looking pretty good. We get a little bit more rain up here, I think, and the soil's a little better, so the yield is even higher. Looking good. Okay, so up here, so we tractor down there. Just gotta pop this lid open here. As you can see, she's empty. Now we gotta switch that over. Okay, so it's 16th today, September. Jim has the service truck out. We're just getting ready for the day. We're greasing and peeling. And as you can see, he's blowing all the dust out of the rad and everything. Checking the oils, making sure everything's all good, so that we're ready for the day here. We're still in the morning. It's pretty dry already. We could probably start combining in another half hour. Okay, back in the trucks. The combines are operational. I cleaned the windows the best I could on them, or on the on the TR. A little dusty, a little bit hard to see. At any rate, it's actually not too bad compared to the old days. Those old combines, it's a lot less dusty, especially in the cabs. The old days, a lot of the combines didn't even have a cab, and the dust was just horrible. Oh. I'll show you the field. See here, look, across there now, just up there. Let's see where my finger is. Where's my finger? Just up there on that ridge there, just over, there's some more of this field, and then he's gonna set the combines up to harvest beans, and then after that, harvest canola. Okay, that's what happens to you when the guy starts turning on the unload auger a little soon. Oh well, you know, things happen. It wasn't much, luckily. I'll just drive real fast on the way back. It'll just blow off. Here, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, see, it comes right off. No problem. Okay, heading off to haul some more grain, and as you can see, we got smoke. Wow, surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. There it is. Right along the trees there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure our brave heroes are diligently trying to find out what's going on. Okay, so here in the morning, it's still pretty damp on the ground, but I can throw some fuel in these combines, which I already put some in that guy, in that TR. Now we're going to put some here in this thing. We got to get pretty close because the darn fuel hose isn't that long. But I'm thinking this might do it. Hang on. I don't want to climb the ladder twice. Guess I gotta put it in here, that helps. Alright, that ought to do her. Yeah. There we go, there's the cap. It's not going to take a lot. But might as well top them up while they're not moving now. Won't have to stop later. Once we get these things going, they don't like to stop. Get as much done as you can, because you still got about 350 acres here, and then another about 600 down south again. We got to go back to the south farm and finish up there. But Jim decided to finish this here first while we're up here, and then we're going to head back. Anyway, okay. Well, I'm out helping Jim with his harvest. He's got a nice little truck. Old Mark. This is the one with the unibody. Should go inside here. She's in pretty nice shape. And it's got an old, I don't know what this is. Oh, an old case. Huh. And then this guy. Yeah, that looks like a pretty, fairly new tractor. At 8220. Yeah. Huh. Of course, one of his little mini tractors for little mini tractor pulls. All right, I better get to it here. We're gonna vacuum these trucks out and clean them, get all the crap out. Okay, now we're into these fava beans, and they're going pretty fast through these. Okay, we're putting the auger in. Cool. Yep. Got her. Okay. Another day coming to an end as far as the sun. It's, look at that, isn't that neat? Zoom in a bit there. I got a dirty windshield, but ew, look at that windshield, it's terrible. I'm gonna try to get it up. Sorry, the Truck's a little bouncy.